everyone, this is video for grade 4 subject EVS. So last time in the online session we have discussed about how the bees are created or produce the honeys in their beehives. Okay, so we have discussed these things. We have watched a video on it how bees will work for it. So let's continue the chapter. There are many lychee trees in our area. Now this is the talking about, Anita is talking about their areas. So what she talking? There are lychee trees in our area. Honeybees are attracted to the lychee flower. Now honeybees, because why they are attracted to the lychee flowers? Because lychee flowers have a more amount of nectar in their structure. Flower contains some nectar. When the nectar is collected by the honeybees, and they are going to collect their that nectar in their beehives. Okay, so many people do beekeeping, collect the honey. I thought I could also do this. I joined the course run by government, learn about this. So Anita is started doing this course by the government course. Now I was only girl in this course. Because we have already discussed in that time the girls are not allowed to be study, not allowed for the business. Everything is just not allowed for the girls. Only boys can do this type of things. So Anita was only that in the only girl in that course. During my training, I found that honeybees lay their eggs October to December. Now in that course, they are learning about the honeybees, how they are going to collect the honey from the beehives. So during my training, I found that honeybees lay their eggs in the October to December. This was the best time to start beekeeping. Okay, so December, please underline this line in your notebook or textbook that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. Okay. Now, becoming a beekeeper. After completion of the course by the government, now Anita is become a beekeeper. Now I completed my beekeeping course, but I did not have money to keep my own bees and start work. So I continued to teach with the time could collect 5,000 rupees. Now Anita is not able to grow their own beehives. तो उसने क्या किया, ट्यूशन फीस में से जो कलेक्टेड फीस थी उसको कलेक्ट करके बी हाइव के बॉक्सेस खरीदे. हाउ मेनी बॉक्स शी बॉट? 2 boxes. She bought. I bought 2 boxes for keeping bees. Each box cost 2,000 rupees. Each box cost 2,000 rupees. So after 5,000 out of 5,000, 4,000 rupees is invested in buy the 2 boxes. Now remaining money, I bought sugar to make the syrup for honeybees. Okay, now the sugar will be added or syrup will be added to the honey to make a liquid. Liquid form में उसको convert करने के लिए they are adding the sugar syrup in the honey. Okay. And medicines to clean the beehives. Okay, you can see in the picture the beehive boxes she had, and you can see the bees are already stick on that layer. Okay, now the layer will be removed by the metal instrument. We have watched in that video that the beekeeper will remove the honeys from the beehive box. Okay, that was a September. By December, I had so many bees, I had to buy more boxes. Okay, up September to December, she have more money. She earned more money. Now she had to buy more boxes. So she will started learning about beekeeping many times. The bees would sting on me, my hands on my face get swollen. Now what will happen when the bees will bitten or sting to you? Then your swollen मतलब फूल जाना, सूज जाता है वहां पे. तो क्या हो जाता है कि इतनी बार अनीता ने सीखा, इतनी बार बी कीपिंग करना सीखा, स्टिल जो बीज होती है वो उसको स्टिंग करके चली जाती थी। तो उसके हैंड्स एंड उसका जो फेस था वो स्वॉलन, मतलब सूज जाता था। इट वुड सो पेन अ लॉट, आई कुड नॉट कंप्लेन एनीबडी। वो कंप्लेन नहीं कर पा रही थी बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ डिसाइडेड टू डू दिस वर्क। उसने खुद से ही ये काम शुरू किया था, तो दैट्स व्हाई शी कैन नॉट कंप्लेन टू एनीबडी। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज द लीची ट्रीज कम फ्लावर इन फेब्रुअरी। अब उसका भी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम होता है। एवरी प्लांट हैज डिफरेंट seasons to grow, like mangoes are grows in summer season. So lychee flower grow in the February. I put all my 4 boxes. Now she had 4 boxes. She started with 2 boxes, now she had 4 boxes. अब वो क्या कर रही है, let's see. I put all my 4 boxes near to the lychee orchards. Please underline this word. Orchards. Orchard means the area, particular area which have a lychee flower. Not only the lychee flower, anything, the particular area is known as orchards. I got 12 kilograms of honey from each box. If she had going to, okay, so 12 kilograms for each box. Okay, so she will get 12 kilograms honey from one box. Kg of honey from one box. Then how much honey she will collected from the 4 boxes? Let's start. Then if she had 4 boxes, then you need to multiply by 4 with 12, and that is 48 kilograms. 48 kilograms honey she will collected by 4 boxes. Okay, so this is about the 12 kilogram honey she will get from the one box. Then she will got the 48 kilograms from the 4 boxes. Now this was my first earning from my bees. Now I have 20 boxes. She started with the 2 boxes. Now she had a 20 boxes. मतलब वो कितना कमाती होगी इस beekeeping से? Let's start. Okay, every day 1 cycle to my college. Okay, sorry. Every day I cycle to my college. My college is in the town. Now she is grown up and she is in now college. She has completed her school. Now every day I cycle to my college. My college is in the town, 5 kilometers away. When I go to college, my mother prepares the syrup for the bees. अब उतने टाइम पे उसके फादर एंड मदर विल हेल्प हर. कैसे करते थे? उसकी मम्मी सिरप प्रिपेयर कर देते थे फॉर दी हनी. ओके, माय फादर लुक्स आफ्टर द बीज एंड टेक्स हनी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्सेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट मेटल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. उसके फादर क्या करते थे? रिमूव कर देते हनी को. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ मदर विल हेल्प एंड हाउ फादर विल हेल्प द अनीता. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस answer. I'm going to ask this type of question in your exams, like how the father and mother will help the Anita to beekeeping. So mother will prepare the syrup and father will look after the bees and collected the honey. Okay, now Anita is known by everyone in the village. Anita is known by everybody in the village. She goes all the village meetings and talk about how the important is for everyone to study. Now she is a role model. She became a role model for every woman. She will prepare other girls to. She will encourage the other women to have the importance of study in our life. Sometimes the people make fun of her, but Anita knows what she wants to do. She does exactly what she wants to do. she is so like she has aim, she has goal and she doing like that. उसने जो सोचा था वही वो करती है. तो this is all about Anita. The next thing we will discuss in our online session. Thank you so much.